Hi, wanna know how to lock your lost Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra? Follow these steps. So firstly, we need to take another device and just find this webpage, findmymobile.samsung.com. Here we would need to sign in. So we would need to sign in your email account in which you signed on your lost phone. So here just enter your email and after that enter your password, and let me do it quickly and get back to you. And now this is how your page will look. So you can ring here for your phone, you can track its location, erase data, extend battery life, and here we can see this lost mode. So if you select it, you can see that your phone is currently unlocked, so anyone can use it. So for that, let's turn on the protection for the lost phone. Here you would need to enter your PIN code. For example, let's enter from 1 to 4, then confirm it, tap the done button, and here select this turn on feature. And now it will be locking your phone, and let me show you how it will look on your lost phone. So here you can see this new information that the phone is locked and this phone has been lost. So to unlock it, we will need to enter the password which we just created. And after that, also enter the password of your phone. And that's it how it works. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.